In the current era, independent cinema has provided aspiring filmmakers with numerous opportunities to demonstrate their resourcefulness. Everyone who has a few cash and an excellent camera can focus on perfecting their ideas. But the extravagant price of cinema cameras worries a lot of filmmakers. In today's video, we'll suggest the 6 affordable movie cameras. This means that you can start working as a filmmaker right away. Starting our list with most popular, the Panasonic GH5S. Lumix GH5S is a great option for those looking for a camera with impressive low light performance. It does come with a higher price tag than his brother, the GH5, costing an extra $500. And the GH5S has a sensor with half the pixels and lag sensor stabilization. Despite having fewer pixels, the S is 10.28 megapixel multi-aspect ratio MOS sensor creates larger pixels, resulting in higher sensitivity and better low light performance. Furthermore, the camera utilizes dual native ISO, a technology previously only available in Vericam cameras, to enhance its low light capabilities. Even further, the GH5S can shoot up to 60 FPS in DCI 4K, and it can capture internal 4x2x2 10-bit footage, just like its sibling the GH5. It also comes equipped with V-Log-L and can shoot hybrid log gamma. The camera uses dual UHS 2SD card slots and features a fully articulating touchscreen. Though the GH5S may be priced higher than the GH5, they offer exceptional low light performance, making them an attractive option for those who prioritize that feature in their camera. Take your content to the next level without breaking the bank with the Sony FX30. Sure, it might not come with a full-frame sensor like its FX cousin, but don't let that fool you. The FX30 is all about the details. It may seem like your average mirrorless camera, but this is indeed a video-first machine. It has an impressive 26-megapixel sensor that rivals more expensive cinema cameras, capturing 10-bit 4K footage, adds a buttery smooth 120 FPS cropped. And don't even get started on the picture profiles S-Log3, S-Cinetone HLG. The FX30 has it all. Plus, the ability to upload your own LUTs or personalized footage previews while you shoot. It also comes packed with features to make your life easier on set, like a fully articulating LCD 5-axis in-body image stabilization and a dedicated zoom dollar. And thanks to its built-in fan, you can record uninterrupted video without worrying about the camera overheating. Besides, with the dual base ISO and a full-size HDMI outputting 16-bit RAW video, your post-production possibilities are endless. Next up on the list is the FUJIFILM X-T4, which boasts an impressive set of features including a 26.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor that can capture up to 10-bit with a 4x2x0 color space internally, at a bitrate of up to 400 Mbps. It offers DCI 4K at 60 feet and can shoot up to 240 FPS in HD. While it shares many features with the previous model, it has a deeper grip and in-body image stabilization. FUJIFILM are known for its film simulations, and the X-T4 offered the popular Eterna simulation along with F-Log for dynamic range. Although its low light performance could be better, this is an exceptional camera with beautiful image quality and functional features. The APS-C sensor allows for more affordable high-quality lenses than those required by full-frame cameras. Wireless price is higher than that of its APS-C sensor competitors. It's still a reasonable price for its capabilities, making the FUJIFILM X a versatile camera that needs a wide range of needs. Sony 6600 offers a lot of value and features from an APS-C camera with similar capabilities to the more expensive A7 lineup. However, one may wonder if Sony will release a beta camera like this one ever. The 6600 shares many features with other Sony camera models such as S-Log2 and S-Log3, and up to 120 FPS in HD and 30 FPS in UHD 4K. The camera has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C X more CMOS sensor with a 1.5 times crop factor and a Bionz X processor, along with 425 autofocus points. While these features also present in the A6100, The 6600 added value depends on the user's needs. The 6600 is the first A6000 camera that offers significant upgrades for video shooting with no record limit, long battery life, excellent dynamic range, and both mic and headphone jacks. While it may not be the most affordable option for an APS-C mirrorless camera, its extensive list of features makes it a good investment for those looking for a high-quality camera. Currently, it's the best deal available. Well, if you're into DSLR, the next one's for you. The Nikon D500 is a DX format camera with a 20-megapixel APS-C sensor with a crop factor of around 1.5x, compared to full-frame sensors. Despite Nikon's typical categorization of DX cameras as lower-end due to the smaller sensors, the D500 is the most advanced DX DSLR camera ever produced by Nikon. It features a 10 FPS shooting speed, dual memory card slots, and an extensive buffer that enables you to capture up to 200 images in a single burst, before the camera slows down. It also has the same autofocus system as Nikon's flagship D5 camera. Despite having features typically found in professional-grade cameras, the Nikon D500 is classified as an enthusiast camera, putting it in the same category as the D7D200. It may be the top choice for videographers. It excels in still photography too, with quick burst shooting, nimble autofocus, exceptional image quality, and long battery life. The camera is ideal for those looking for an affordable alternative to a full-frame DSLR or wanting to take advantage of the crop sensus format focal length benefits. And lastly, we have the CanonUSA M50, which offers recording UHD 4K at 24 FPS. Despite having an APS-C sensor, it has a significant 2.56 times crop when shooting in 4K and suffers from rolling shutter effects, but that does not compromise the quality, if you know how to handle it. The features include the 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, a Digicade image processor with audio optimization, built-in electronic viewfinder, and a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen. The M50 uses an EF-M lens mount, requiring a $200 lens adapter to use any EF or EFS lenses, and it offers a microphone input but lacks a headphone jack. However, it can still be a suitable option for those who require periodic 4K shooting or want to capture their creativity on screen. Moreover, M50's flip-out screen makes it a strong contender for those who need it for vlogging or documentaries. If this feature is important to you, it's unlikely that you would consider any other camera in this budget. So this was a list of the 6 best cheapest film cameras. Do you agree with the list? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below and share it with your friends.